Everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the template of your website on Wix.com. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this method works the same for you. So yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up your website in edit mode. So to do that, all you have to do is go ahead right here on the dashboard of your site and click on this button called edit site. So clicking on that guys, this will open up your website in the editor mode. And the way you guys will know it's in editor mode, but you will see all these buttons on the left side of the screen that enable you to edit your website. So guys, how do you change the template on your website? You want to do the following. Go ahead and click on this button right here called site design. So guys, go ahead and click on that, and you'll see guys, now you have the option to either change your background, your page transitions, or your site theme. So guys, you want to go to your site theme and click on the middle button called customize. Clicking on customize guys, this will open up these new options that give you the option to change the colors and everything about the font of your website. So just click on any theme that you like and it will automatically change the whole color scheme and the template of your website. So yeah guys, just find the one you want to use and then click it and exit back, and then the template will stay. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.